Hello, I'm Ruo. I shared how to make a phone call in Taiwan. Now it's time to know how to write letters and emails. Let's start with the information about the sender and the receiver. Now, email handler. This is an email handler. 收件者 receiver. 副本 or 副本抄送 carbon copy. 密件副本 or 密件副本抄送 blend carbon copy 主旨 or 标题 subject 传送 send 附件附加档案 attachment. Next one is envelope. I know we do not write letters much these days, but sometimes we still need to send a parcel or a package, right? So let's have a look at a vertical writing envelope. Don't forget, vertical writing is from right to left. So the right one is receiver address, and the center is receiver's full name. This one is sender's address and the sender's name. You can leave it blank, the name, not address. Have you noticed the receiver's address is higher than the sender's? It's a courtesy to show your respect for the receiver. There is a special part of the Chinese envelope. You need to put a 起 or 收 under the receiver's name. 君起 are more polite. You can use it when writing to your teacher, boss, or older. Since 君起 is more polite, so the word 起 will more polite than 收。邮递区号 postal code. Now we have 6 numbers. It will change every couple of years. I hope there will not be another number. It looks full already. You can find the postal code on the post office website. I leave a link below. Next one, horizontal writing envelope. Think you knew this type of envelope already? No. Horizontal writing envelope in Taiwan have a slight difference. The order is reversed. Your familiar way is the name, address, and the postal code. But in Taiwan, we have put the postal code first, then address, and the name will be put at the bottom. Don't forget to put 君起 or 起 or 收 after the receiver's name. Now, 信件内文 body. First is salutation. 信件开头招呼语 You can see I wrote 亲爱的骆小姐您好 It means dear Miss Ruo. In traditional Chinese, we use a colon instead of a comma. In vertical writing will be this way. In the situation that you don't know who will read the letter, you might write 近期者 to who it might concern. Then, when you finish the letter, sign off 结尾敬语 The most classic is 敬祝安好 Best wish. I know it's old-fashioned, but it will not go wrong. Final, sign your name. We will put 敬上 after the sender's name for courtesy, or you can leave it blank if it's not a formal letter. And if you are writing for business, don't forget to include your sender information, like your title and company name and the contact number. Let's review today's vocabulary. 寄件人 sender，收件人 receiver，地址 address，副本操纵 combo copy，密件副本操纵 blender combo copy，主旨标题 subject，附加档案 attachment，邮票 stamp，邮递区号 postal code，近期者 to whom it might concern，结尾敬语 sign off，敬祝安好 best wish，职称 title，公司名称 company name，联络电话 contact number。Okay, it's today's video. I hope you like it and share your idea with me. Thank you for watching and see you next time.